This example links back to my first example really, but it's using, it's a much more wordy example. So let's try to decode all of this stuff. So Denise sells 300 tickets for a concert. So some tickets are sold to adults at £5 each, and some are sold to children at £4 each. So we can say that the X value could be the number of adults. In fact, I'm not going to use X. What would be a more sensible letter, I think, is probably A. So A is going to be the number, oh, I've used equals again. A refers to the number of adult tickets. So A could be 10, for example, and then 10 adults would have gone. C refers to the number of children tickets sold. And I know now that if there are 300 tickets, in total, the number of adults and the number of children, if you add them together, you will get yourself 300. And that's this number sort of dealt with. How could I use this number, this 1,444? Well, that refers to the number of pounds. And for every adult that buys a ticket, £5 are made. So £5 for every adult. And added to £4 for every child, the total I would get would be £1,444. I don't have to write units here, that's implicit in my A. And so these are my two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. And this is now a simultaneous equation. I could multiply my equation 1 by 5, so 5 lots of equation 1 would be 5a plus 5c, and 5 times 3 is 15. And now I could find the difference between these two. So the a's are now eliminated, and I'll do my second line minus my first line to make these positive. So that's going to be 1c, and then this minus this would be 56. So that must mean then that I've had 56 children. How could I work out how many adults I've got? I'd sub into 1, sub that into equation 1. So A plus 56 was 300. So A must have been 244. And finally, I need to check in equation 2. So then 5 lots of 244 plus 5 lots of 56 should equal, oops, I made a mistake there. That should be a 4 there. I've used the wrong equation. I was using this line here. I should be checking it in 2. That should be 4 lots of them. And now by expanding all of this out, I find that I've got 1,444, which is that one. So I know I'm right. And of course, before I move on, I'm going to write my answer very clearly. 244 is A and C is 56, and I might want to even put a big box around that.